Welcome to a journey through the 21 most nutritious foods you can add to your diet for a healthier lifestyle. From antioxidant-packed fish to fiber-rich vegetables, we'll explore how these incredible foods support your body's health and well-being. With each bite, you're not just nourishing your body, you're also building a foundation for lifelong health. Starting our countdown with halibut, a mild, lean fish that's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and antioxidants. These nutrients help reduce inflammation, support heart health, and improve brain function. Grilled or baked with a squeeze of lemon and herbs, halibut is a light and tasty way to add heart-healthy fats to your diet. Next, we have beets, vibrant root vegetables that are rich in folate, fiber, and antioxidants. They support blood circulation, lower blood pressure, and even enhance athletic performance. Roasting beets brings out their natural sweetness, while adding them to salads or smoothies offers a nutrient-packed boost to your day. Brussels sprouts are often underestimated, but these mini cabbages are a nutritional powerhouse. Rich in fiber, vitamin K, and cancer-fighting compounds, they promote digestive health and support a strong immune system. Roasted with olive oil, garlic, and a pinch of salt, Brussels sprouts become a crunchy, flavorful side that complements any meal. Lean beef is an excellent source of high-quality protein, iron, and vitamin B12. These nutrients are essential for energy production, muscle repair, and cognitive function. When you choose lean cuts like sirloin or flank steak, you're getting all the health benefits without the extra fat. Grill or pan-sear your beef and pair it with roasted vegetables for a hearty, balanced meal. Bell peppers are packed with vitamins A and C, which are crucial for immune function, skin health, and eye health. The antioxidants in bell peppers help protect against oxidative stress and inflammation. Add them raw to salads, sauté them with onions for a stir-fry, or roast them to enhance their sweetness and bring out their full flavor. Almonds are a convenient, nutrient-dense snack full of healthy fats, vitamin E, and magnesium. These nutrients help reduce cholesterol, improve heart health, and promote strong bones. A handful of almonds can satisfy your hunger and provide sustained energy. They also work well in salads, granola, and baked goods. Kale is a leafy green packed with vitamins A, K, and C, as well as antioxidants and fiber. It supports healthy bones, boosts immunity, and aids in digestion. Enjoy kale raw in salads, blended in smoothies, or sautéed with garlic and olive oil for a simple, nutritious side dish. Salmon is one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation. It's also rich in protein and vitamin D. Grilled, baked, or pan-seared with a sprinkle of fresh herbs and lemon, salmon makes for a delicious and health-boosting centerpiece for any meal. Avocados are nutrient-dense fruits that provide healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and potassium. These healthy fats promote heart health, improve skin elasticity, and support overall cell function. Spread avocado on toast, toss it into salads, or blend it into smoothies for a creamy texture and added nutrition. Sweet potatoes are packed with beta-carotene, fiber, and antioxidants. They help improve vision, support immune function, and promote digestive health. Roast them for a naturally sweet side dish, mash them, or even make sweet potato fries for a healthier take on a classic favorite. Greek yogurt is a creamy, protein-rich option that also provides probiotics for gut health. It's packed with calcium and supports bone density. Enjoy it as a snack, add it to smoothies, or top it with fresh berries and a drizzle of honey for a nutritious and satisfying breakfast or dessert. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green that's loaded with iron, folate, and vitamins A and C. These nutrients are essential for energy, immune function, and skin health. Add spinach to smoothies, salads, or sauté it with olive oil and garlic for a quick, nutrient-dense side dish. Chia seeds are tiny but incredibly powerful. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants, they support digestive health, boost energy levels, and help maintain a healthy heart. Use chia seeds in smoothies, overnight oats, or make chia pudding for a delicious, nutritious treat. Turmeric is a golden spice known for its active compound, curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It helps reduce joint pain, supports brain function, and boosts overall immune health. Add turmeric to curries, soups, or even smoothies for a warm, earthy flavor and extra health benefits. Quinoa is a gluten-free, protein-packed grain that contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's also high in fiber, magnesium, and B vitamins. Quinoa can be used as a base for salads, grain bowls, or served as a side dish in place of rice for a heart-healthy, fiber-rich option. Berries, like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. They help fight oxidative stress, support cognitive function, and promote heart health. Enjoy them fresh, in smoothies, or as a topping for yogurt and oatmeal. Garlic has been celebrated for centuries for its medicinal properties. It supports heart health, boosts the immune system, and has powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Incorporate garlic into almost any savory dish, from stir-fries to soups, sauces, and roasted vegetables, for a burst of flavor and wellness. An apple a day truly does have its merits. Apples are rich in fiber, antioxidants, and vitamin C. They support digestive health, regulate blood sugar levels, and improve skin health. Enjoy them as a snack, add them to salads, or bake them with a sprinkle of cinnamon for a healthy dessert. Oats are a whole grain full of soluble fiber, which helps lower cholesterol and regulate blood sugar levels. They're also high in B vitamins and minerals. Start your day with a warm bowl of oatmeal. Mix oats into smoothies or bake them into healthy cookies for a nutritious treat. Almonds are packed with healthy fats, protein, vitamin E, and magnesium. They support heart health, stabilize blood sugar, and promote strong bones. Snack on a handful of almonds, sprinkle them over salads, or blend them into almond butter for a versatile and nutrient-dense addition to your diet. Finally, we reach broccoli, one of the most well-known superfoods. Rich in fiber, vitamin C and K, and powerful antioxidants, broccoli promotes digestive health, supports a healthy immune system, and may even have cancer-fighting properties. Steam it, roast it, or toss it in stir-fries for a nutrient-packed addition to any meal. These 21 power foods are just the beginning of building a balanced, nutrient-rich diet. By incorporating these foods into your meals, you're giving your body the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants it needs to thrive. Remember, health is not just about eating specific foods. It's about creating a balanced lifestyle that nourishes both your body and your mind. Thank you for joining us on this nutritional journey. Embrace the power of these foods and make the choice today to nourish your body for a healthier tomorrow. Stay vibrant, stay healthy. If you enjoyed this journey toward better health and want more inspiring, nutritious content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.